Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a marigold flower. So I'm going to use a real reference flower for this video. And I'm going to use one of my sketchbooks here. As usual, I'm going to use an ink. So marigold flowers are beautiful, intricate, and when you first look at it, it can be very intimidating to sketch, paint, or draw, but I'm just breaking down the shapes here to simplify the forms, and it can be overwhelming, but looking at it as not a very difficult flower full of lines and shapes, so it will be easier to digest. But these flowers are really very uplifting with their bright yellow-orange colors, and I really love to study them. Back then, before winter, I do have lots of plants, so I was able to draw or paint them. So in this video, I'm just using one flower, and I'm going to change the angles or direction to help you get perspective and shapes closely. In this way, you will able to train your eyes to see what the flower look like when it's on the front or it's on the side. It's kind of like in a bouquet. You can make a bouquet with just one flower. So this is really helpful to practice if you just want to level up your observation skills. But I'm not trying to draw or sketch realistically here, but rather I'm just really sketching or drawing how I feel with this flower. And do you have a favorite flower? Please comment down below about different kinds of flowers to draw or sketch in the future. And if you want to suggest, please comment down below. This exercise is great for practicing your hand and eye coordination, and if you don't have enough time to paint, sketching is a great start. I do this sometimes before I paint or draw them realistically, so I do have a feel of what kind of composition I would like them to be in a canvas or in the final paper or surface that I'm going to work in the future. So I'm not just really studying about the full flower, I'm also studying what the shape of the petals, just to have that basic in mind. Thank you so much for watching me draw this marigold and accompanying me to fill the page in my sketchbook. And hope to see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that button for more flower drawings in the future. See you next time. Bye.